Pakistan is an agriculture-based economy, with the dairy and livestock sector contributing 55% of the total agricultural produce and 12% of the overall GDP. With an annual production of 41 million tonnes, Pakistan ranks as the world's third largest milk producer. Despite immense potential, Pakistan's dairy sector has been a victim of neglect and operates at subsistence level. A majority of small rural dairy farmers still rely on traditional dairy farming practices. Lack of awareness about modern practices and farmer support services translate into low per animal milk yields compared to international standards. The Dairy and Rural Development Foundation, DRDF, a non-profit organisation established in 1996, has since been successfully supporting the rural-based dairy sector of Pakistan. In July 2011, the United States Agency for International Development joined hands with the DRDF to increase the scale and scope of interventions for rural dairy development. USAID's dairy project envisions fostering a sustainable increase in livestock productivity through community-triggered, focused interventions.
By working in the dairy sector, we will be touching and influencing and improving the development of those most in need. USAID emphasizes to build the rural sector's institutional capacity and to foster public-private partnerships so that when our funding terminates, that they will be able to continue to work in this sector throughout the years.
USAID का जो program है, इसमें if we can improve the yields from the current levels of about 1500 to 2000 liters per year per animal to maybe 8,000 liters per year, it will automatically lead to an increase in wealth for the small farmer.
The project targets the districts of South Punjab, the milk-producing hub of the country. The dairy project's implementation is being carried out by developing various partnerships. Nestlé Pakistan is assisting the project by providing access to its training facilities and technical experts. The University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences is technically assisting the project by training the trainers, developing curricula and certification of the training courses.
जो DRDF प्रोजेक्ट है, इसके ज़रिए यूनिवर्सिटी जो अपनी टेक्नोलॉजी है, अपना जो इंफॉर्मेशन है, जो नॉलेज है, वो फार्मर तक पहुंचा सकती है और उसका बेनिफिट ये होगा कि फार्मर जो है उसकी प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी बेहतर होगी, सोशो इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन बेहतर होगी और उसकी जो सस्टेनेबिलिटी है उसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट आएगी.
The USAID DRDF dairy project has 4 components, built on the premise that effective training and awareness raising can quickly align the local dairy sector with modern dairy practices. These focused capacity building interventions act as a powerful vehicle for generating new employment opportunities and increasing incomes of the rural communities. The project's social mobilizers hold community meetings to select trainees in accordance with the project's selection criteria. Participants successfully completing the training are awarded certificates by recognized veterinary universities and are also provided with post-training follow-up support. The dairy farmer component targets to train 9,000 dairy farmers and 100 farm managers. The objective is to enable the rural farmers to adopt modern dairy farming practices, including breed improvement, the use of silage, deworming, vaccination, calf rearing, teat dipping to prevent mastitis, free access to water, the use of improved farm equipment, and animal shed management. The selection and the development of high-yield animal breeds is a prerequisite to ensure improved milk productivity, for which the most economical and effective technique is artificial insemination. To promote artificial insemination services, the Dairy Project's AIT training program selects local unemployed youth with high school matriculation or higher qualification and trains them as certified AI technicians. To ensure practical benefits for the dairy farmers, the Dairy Project provides AI kits and motorcycles to the graduating technicians to start their businesses. The project aims to train 2,000 certified AI technicians. Women play a prominent role in small-scale rural dairy farming, carrying out most of the daily chores related to dairy animals. The Dairy Project's WLEW training component selects local unemployed women from rural Punjab who have a high school matriculation or a higher qualification, and trains them in animal health management, disease prevention and entrepreneurship in their local villages. Each trainee gets 1 month's classroom training strengthened by practical field training. Upon successfully completing the training, these certified WLEWs are facilitated with a free-of-cost business establishment kit to start providing services as dairy extension workers or as dairy input suppliers. 5,000 WLEWs are to be trained under this component. The Dairy Project aims to reach out to prospective beneficiaries across rural Pakistan through mass awareness media campaigns. Under this component, dairy farmers across the country are advised on the adoption of best farming practices through carefully designed informational campaigns.
The Dairy Project has completed the first year of operation. From now on we go in a stronger way. Project will go further into South Punjab. We go in more training sites. This will give results in breed improvement, in best farm practice, in higher milk yield, in better animal health, and that helps and that gives economic growth.
Within a short period of its launch, the USAID's Dairy Project has set a stage for bringing about a paradigm shift in Pakistan's dairy sector by demonstrating the benefits of modern dairy farming practices. Catalyzed by focused capacity building interventions, active community participation, public-private partnerships, and an entrepreneurial spirit, the project is playing a significant role in transforming Pakistan's dairy sector into a world-class performer.
इस ट्रेनिंग ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਾਫੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਮਾਲੂਮਾਤ ਸਿੱਖੀਆਂ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਨਵਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਅੱਛੀ ਖੁਰਾਕ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पानी देना इलाज माल जा साड़ू की बीमारियां इन्हें तो कंट्रोल करके 1 to 1.5 किलो एक जानवर का दुध बढ़ गया इनकी वजह तो 3500 रुपया महाना आमदनी साड़ी बढ़ गई।
मैं 7 महीनों तो WLEW के तौर पर काम कर रही हूँ। मैं अपने गाँव में तकरीबन 600 जानवरों का चेकअप कर चुकी हूँ, जिस तो मैं 46,000 कमा लिया। फिर मेरे घर का चूल्हा जलना शुरू हो गया।
मैं 163 जानवरों को सैमीनेट किया, जिन्हें विच मैं 45,000 रुपया मुनाफा कमाया, जो कि मेरी 5 महीने की आमदनी है।